Welcome to my channel Z Tech viewers. In this video I am going to show you how you can fix Firefox error code overlap error field. So let's start. For solving this error you have to simply open your Mozilla Firefox browser and then simply you have to go to the open menu option, and here you have to go. After going to the open menu you have to go for help option. Sometimes help option appear above before edit, like there, but it is now behind, so simply click on it, and here you have to simply go to about Firefox. Here we have to check our Firefox updation. If your Firefox is not updated, you have to update it Firefox, your error will be solved. Like that, my Firefox is up to date, that's why I don't have this kind of error. Or the other method to solve this is you simply go to your Firefox browser again. By double clicking on it you can open it, and you have to type on a search bar the command I have provided in the description about config. You have to simply copy this command. I will provide you in the description. Please subscribe my channel Z Tech viewers for more interesting videos. Now I will simply copy this command and paste in my Mozilla Firefox browser URL. Like that, I will simply copy this. Subscribe my channel please for more error solving problems, and simply paste here and go. Here it will ask you about permission. It will ask you about permission. You have to simply give it permission by clicking on I accept that risk, and here you have to paste another command, second command, security.ssl. Remember, you have to paste in this search bar, not the URL search bar. Remember, always remember, be careful during pasting. And here you have to simply paste this and press enter. You can say the status is default, but your error because the status is modified. You have to simply reset it, or you have to simply default it. When you reset it, your error will be solved. If you find any problem again in solving this error, please comment below. I will try to solve it. Thank you for watching, and again please subscribe my channel Z Tech. Thank you viewers.